Traditional rollators are bulky and hard to fold. Now with the most compact and portable rollator on the market, you can have the freedom to travel in places where a traditional rollator can't. The Space Saver Rollator from Able Life folds in seconds and folds 3 times smaller than traditional rollators, so you can store it in the front seat of your car, your shopping cart, or in the overhead bin of an airplane. The patented rubber braking system is safer and more responsive than traditional metal brakes and can be locked in place to support up to 250 pounds while sitting. The modern two-tone design comes in black walnut, regal rose, and cobalt blue. And it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and limited lifetime warranty, so it's the last rollator you'll ever have to buy. So whether you're running errands or planning your next vacation, now you can enjoy the journey with the Space Saver Rollator from Able Life.